Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience today. What I got at the equipment store yesterday, I found a 1982's Kirby Triton. And in the machine, it needs to be serviced, and it still works pretty good. The motor sounds good. But first of all, it needed to be more serviced and more polishing and more, there's more work to do on this machine. And first of all, I really decided to fix it until by the end of I might fix it. I might do some remodeling on this machine very soon, but I don't know when. I don't have time to fix this vacuum cleaner because I'm going to be doing a lot of work by the end of June, because this right there